Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix mouse wheel scroll going up and down. This is a different kind of video and I'll be giving you instructions you will have to follow in real life to fix it. So this is the scroll wheel, right? There must be dirt stuck under it or on the sides. This is mainly the issue of mouse wheel scroll going up and down. So all you have to do is just blow on your scroll from the bottom, like from over here where my mouse is. Just blow on it really hard. This will most likely remove all the dust which is stuck between it. This method should work, and this is definitely the cause of your mouse wheel scroll going up and down. Try this and check if your scroll wheel has been fixed. If it has not been fixed, then it must be a problem of your switch. Then you'll have to get your mouse scroll switch replaced. But in most cases, if you just blow on the scroll wheel, the dirt should get away and your mouse will be fixed. If this video helped you guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.